What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Quick release vices are easy to use and make our job a bit faster, but if you're making it yourself, you'll see that it's quite hard to find a mechanism that is not so complicated to make. Probably that's why very few DIYers are making it. I did some research and I think I made one that's easy and simple to build. This is a slide and come lock action type of mechanism. You just simply pull the moving jaw, put in your material, push the jaw back in and turn the cam lock to lock it in place. Also, I decided to use two parallel pipes that works as a rail guide to keep the jaws always in line and parallel. And about the hardwares that I used, not much and very cheap actually. I use rods and pins to hold the mechanism. They actually nails that I removed the head. About the size, you can use somewhere around 3mm to 6mm. One of the main components is the pipe slider. This is a curtain rod. And a steel plate, this is the main part of the locking mechanism. And a compression spring or any alternative that works just like it. I have yet to receive the compression spring that I ordered online. The delivery system nowadays is taking too long caused by the community quarantine in my area, and I can't wait to publish this video, so for the meantime I'm using this piece of plastic. I folded it to act as a compression spring. The folded plastic works great actually, as you can see here, but I have to replace it later when the compression spring arrives. So I'm not gluing these two parts permanently. I'll just screw them together for the time being and open it later and install the spring. If you're going to build this project, make sure the holes are all aligned and parallel. It requires some degrees of precision, otherwise you're gonna have a hard time sliding the jaw open and close. I would definitely be experimenting on other projects using this mechanism. Or I make a smaller version or a quick grip clamps maybe. We'll see what else can I do with it. I'm really happy with the result. Done with another tool that will help my woodworking easier, especially if I'm working on a lot of small pieces that I need holes on it. I've been testing this vise almost every day because it's just so fun to play with it. You should try making one. The plans are available on my website. Please follow the link in the description below if you're interested. Well, that is all for this one. I hope you enjoyed the video and please give it a like and let me know your thoughts on the comment box below. Thank you for your support, everyone. I really appreciate it, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye for now.